Hi, I'm Joe Spirit from LTT, and today we're going to talk about choke tubes in the 1301 and when to use which one. So the 1301, as it comes from us, is going to have the cylinder and choke installed. It will also come with an improved cylinder choke in the box. When you get your 1301 from us, it's going to come with a cylinder choke installed. The improved cylinder choke will come in the box. These two chokes should provide all the versatility for your shooting needs that is necessary. It's perfectly safe to shoot slugs or buckshot through either choke. The main difference being shooting with the improved cylinder choke is going to give you a slightly tighter pattern with buckshot and may change the accuracy of the slugs. We've got the questions a few times about what constriction is safe to shoot slugs with. Either of these two is fine. We don't recommend shooting slugs through anything tighter than a modified choke in our shotgun. Typically for an all-purpose setup, the cylinder choke that comes installed is going to be just fine. The improved cylinder does give you a little more control over tighter patterns with buckshot and birdshot. There's a common misconception that slugs shouldn't touch the choke or the inside diameter of the barrel. That's not true. They're designed to have slight compression as they go through, which increases accuracy with the design of the soft lead and the way the wads are working. Nothing to worry about here. A tip from Ernest Langdon: when he was shooting 3-gun competitions, he typically shot with a light modified choke, which gave him the best advantage over pattern and reliability and accuracy for all three: birdshot, buckshot, and slugs. A couple of things to remember: not all 1301s come with chokes. Some of the early guns were just strictly cylinder barrels, so this doesn't necessarily apply to those. Any other gun that does come with a choke, you want to make sure that the choke is greased just a little bit before it's installed, and you want to make sure there is always a choke installed in your gun before you fire it, as to not damage the threads, the choke, or the barrel. As with anything else, your shotgun may work better with one choke versus the other depending on the load that you choose. There's no hard and fast rule for which one's going to give you the results you're necessarily looking for, so it's definitely worth it to test these at the range to find out what's going to work best for you and your gun. Hopefully this information helps you get all the benefits and everything out of your 1301. If you have any other questions about chokes or anything else we talked about in the video, don't hesitate to ask. We're here to help. Thanks.